Start by checking for any visible hairline or surface cracks on the porcelain after installation. Carefully inspect the entire bowl, including the rim, underside, and the area around the mounting bolts, using a bright flashlight and a magnifying glass if available to spot hairline fractures that can be missed at a glance. Perform a water dye test by adding a few drops of food coloring into the tank, flushing and watching the bowl and floor for any colored water to reveal slow leaks. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes to catch gradual seepage. For hidden cracks beneath the bowl or inside the skirt, feel for dampness with a clean dry tissue or paper towel pressed gently against suspect areas after a period of non-use. A wet spot indicates seepage path. Use a bucket of warm water to run a rapid flush several times while listening closely for any unusual hissing or continuous dripping sounds that suggest hairline fractures or seal failures. If the toilet is newly installed on a wooden subfloor, inspect the ceiling below for discoloration or damp spots after heavy use to catch leaks that track away from the fixture. Photograph any suspicious areas from multiple angles and keep a written log of tests and times to help communicate clearly with the installer or manufacturer if replacement is needed. Common mistakes include assuming absence of visible cracks means the bowl is sound. The fix is to run the dye and towel tests and monitor over a full day. Another issue is overlooking the base and bolts where stress cracks often start. Remedy this by gently rocking the bowl to check for movement and tightening bolts incrementally while keeping the bowl level to avoid inducing new cracks. People also ignore subtle sound cues during flushing that signal a leak. Train yourself to listen for hisses or continuous dripping and repeat several flushes while someone else watches for water escape so you can correlate sound with visible evidence. On BigHomeProjects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide tools to post projects and receive responses from pros in the area. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share inspection tips, troubleshoot common problems, and let members exchange real-world experiences about toilet installations and repairs.